Right folks, let's see who's won the Versi-Trays. See you in a minute. Well, as you know, Electrostatic Magic, the people who supply my powder coating equipment, gave me a Versi-Tray, and then they was kind enough to send me another 6 free Versi-Trays. Gary pinched one of them, and of course I had to give it to him, didn't I? So he's got one of them. So I have 5 left for me to give away in a competition, and all you had to do was to leave your name below that video last week and just put Versi-Tray in the comment and put the thumbs up. And let's have a little look at the computer now and just see actually how many comments we had, and let's go and pick some winners. See you in a minute. Okay, so we're at the PC now, and as you can see, I've pulled the video up. This is the one where we wanted you to leave the Versi-Tray comments, and we had 978 thumbs up there. Thank you very much, everyone who actually left a thumbs up for me. And we had 798 comments on this video at the time of me doing this. So let's take the URL to the video, go over to our random comment YouTube picker, and just scroll down. We put the YouTube URL in here, paste that in there, and then let's see if it finds all the comments. So we want to filter out duplicate users, so people who have left more than one comment, and get YouTube comments. There we go. So let's just see how many comments it pulls out. 739, and although there's 798 comments, some of them are people answering and me answering, so that's why. So the random comments is 739 people. So let's start the random comment picker now. We've got 5 to pick out. Right, so here we go. Let's pick the first one out. Daniel Clift. There we go. Daniel Clift has won the first one. So well done, Daniel. If you send me your, email me your name and address, I'll ship that off to the post here. And let's go again. Richard West, there we go, Richard. You've won the second one. Craig C has won the first one, and he actually says, Versi-Tray, does it help if I say how attractive you're looking lately, Martin? Great vid, as always, really tempted to get the powder coating kit. Well, obviously it does make a difference, Craig, so there you go, well done. God, I thought that was our Gary B then, Sharon. Look, Gary B has won the 4th one.
Well done, Gary B.
Not our Gary, he's already got one, it's our Gary Butler. So there you go, Gary. Thanks very much. Leave your name and address on an email to me, and I'll ship that off to you. That's the 4th one. And the final one. And there we go. The last one is DT Motorcycles Essex. Versi-Tray. Brilliant video, mate. Absolutely brilliant content. Thanks very much, bud. And you're the final winner. And well done, all the winners so far. Don't forget, just email me your name and address, and I'll ship them to the post to you. Thanks very much, folks. So there you go, folks. They're the winners of the Versi-Tray. Thanks very much. They are a very handy piece of kit. I've been using mine, and it's a fantastic little tool, and hope you winners enjoy them. Anyway, thanks very much for watching this video. We'll have content back to normal soon. As you can see the way I'm dressed at the moment, I'm a bit dirty. I'm upstairs now working. It's still quite early. It's only 8:30 in the morning on a Sunday. And I've got loads more work to do upstairs, so we'll be back on the projects very soon. So keep tuned to Butler's Empire channel as well. As you'll probably know, we're doing or showing a bit of the work on there, what we're doing upstairs, but we're very, very busy at the moment. And at least the weather's a lot better now, and I'll see you in the next video, and until then, bye for now.